guys, Eve here, and today we're doing another Cosmos and Cosmetology series. If you didn't know, it's Pisces season, and I was actually really looking forward to doing this particular astrology sign because they are another water sign. I am also a water sign, but they're also known for being really artistic, and so I wanted to bring that kind of vibe. So if you guys want to see how I did this Pisces-inspired makeup look, go ahead and keep on watching.
Alright, so I already did my eyebrows and primed my eyes as always, and I'm heading into my ColourPop Element of Surprise palette. I'm first grabbing the shade Labyrinth and using this as my transition shade, putting that into the crease, blending it up towards my brow bone, and blending it into my inner corner as well, making sure that the color meets against that tape, and focusing on creating the gradient early on. And then with my Anastasia Artist Palette, I'm grabbing the shade Dusty Rose. You can tell it's been quite loved, and I'm using this as another crease shade, putting it a little bit lower than Labyrinth, blending it into that color, making sure that there's a smooth gradient. You want the colors in the crease to go from lightest to darkest, and this is a good way to do that. Then doing some reverse blending with Labyrinth once again, bringing that color a little bit higher out of the crease towards the brow bone. This is going to make the eyes look bigger. Then to knock that shade down, we're just going to blend that color with no added product. Now heading into my Unicorn shade, I'm putting that into the crease once again a little bit lower, and then doing some reverse blending. So Unicorn builds up pretty slowly, so I would say apply the pigment, blend it out, and then apply more pigment to your liking. How pigmented you want it is all up to you. Then grabbing some of my Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair, I'm going to cut the crease just a little bit. This is going to be a half cut crease. Go really slow with this. It's very easy to make a mistake and to overdraw your crease. And when you're ready, we'll grab the shade Subdue from the Element of Surprise palette. We're going to pack this shade on. First dry just to bring out the purple pigment. And then we'll spray the shade with some NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray to bring out the sparkle and shine. This is going to make the color look much more metallic, which I enjoy. Then adding a little bit more of that Unicorn shade to the outer corner just to bring everything together. Like I said, this shade takes a while to build up, so take your time. Once the shadow is to your liking, go ahead and grab any sort of liner, whichever you prefer. This is a gel liner, it's an old one. I'll leave a cruelty-free version in the description box down below, but I'm drawing a pretty thick line. I want the liner to be pretty present today, and that's one of the benefits of using the tape, is that you'll end up with a sharp line no matter what. Once the liner is to our satisfaction, we can go ahead and peel away that tape and then finish off our face. And then we'll head into the lower lash line. So I'm actually going to take Unicorn and blend that out with a pencil brush. We want the pigment to be pretty present, but we don't want it to go too far down. And then we'll blend it out even further with Labyrinth. Then for blush today, I'm taking my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in the shade Mood Exposure, putting that onto the apples of our cheeks. This is a nice mauve tone. It's going to complement the purple shades very nicely. And for highlight, I'm grabbing my e.l.f. highlight in the shade Moonlit Pearls. This is such a reflective, pretty highlight, and it was only a few bucks at the drugstore. I highly recommend that you pick this up. If you do, just make sure you scrape off the top layer. Because it's baked, it really is hardened on the top. So we're going to apply this to all the high points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my nose,
Shine, shine, yeah.
on my cupid's bow, my brow bone, down the bridge of my nose, and my inner corners. Then I'm going to go ahead and wipe away that baked powder that was underneath my cheekbones and apply my lips. So for lips today, we're grabbing my Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Aisha. It's a nice light purpley color. I really do think that the shade complements a lot of different skin tones, so please don't be afraid of it. I know it looks bold and bright, but it's really pretty on. And then after the lips have set for a little bit, I'm grabbing Purple Horseshoe from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit and dusting that all over the lips to create more of a holographic lip effect. For added dimension, I'm adding Blue Moon right to the center of my lips, and then setting my brows with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Curling my lashes to prep them, and for lashes today, I'm using my Buxom Lash Mascara and my Pixie Lower Lash Line Mascara, and setting my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Finally, I'm going to apply my Ardell natural lashes.
Alright guys, so this is the completed look. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you like me, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you're a Pisces and you would wear this makeup look, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. Big shout out to Livy Loves, and if you don't know what robot guy she's talking about, watch my Disney vlog in the eye right up there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.